homophobic Jamaican actor. Yeah, this guy's pretty good, yeah. Yeah, man, there. Ready. And action! I'm gonna need you to look me in the eyes and tell me you did not fuck my wife. Oh, God. Bloody hell, mate. I thought you said this guy could act, yeah? Well, what's the problem, blood? I can't do this. I don't know, man. I can't do this. No, I can't do this. I can't do this. What? Yo, dog, my youth, act where act, you know? Yo, wanna talk about? Yo, first of all, you not even pay me for this. Number one. Few, you don't want to come batty up man career. You talk about batty up the thing, what you mean? Yo, man, I come talk about looking at me, yeah. That dog, I want to tell my youth. Act where act, you know? I can't do this. Dog. I can't do this. Man, I looking at no man, yeah. I'm to some man. Really, dog? I can't do this. Yo, brother, y'all talk too close to my face, you know. And that may make you know, dog. Man, for go easy, dog. I batty up when I want to come batty up man career, dog. Bill, acting or not, dog. I some man for Bill, dog. I can't do this. I'm to some man. Yo, back up, dog. How you do, yo? Looking at one, man, yo. Back, yo, rewrite the script, dog. I want to know. Rewrite that, dog. I'm not looking at no man, yai. Some man feel like they be looking at my own father, yai. I'm to some man. Back up, dog. I can't do this.